Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. So the market is on fire. In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 2.5%, guys. So everything seems to be green, and that is definitely a positive thing for us. Just like we predicted last week, we were talking about the weekend, and we were saying that we hope that over the weekend we break through that 41 to 42,000 resistance. And look what happened, guys. Exactly that. And that's something that we are very, very happy about. Bitcoin trading around that 44,000 area right now, which is good. It's getting into those mid 40s. We're hoping for, the higher 40s to start, trading soon, and hopefully pushing on everything up as well. So 2.7% higher. Ethereum breaking through that 3,100 area, guys. Now the next goal that we're going to be aiming for is closer to that 3,500 area. So Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin right now in the past few days, so up about 6.7%, doing very, very well. Binance Coin's up about 3%, Cardano's up 3%, even Ripple's up about 8% right here. And it seems like everything else in the market is pretty much in the green. And then Doge, obviously, we've been talking about Doge, how it's been lagging behind, the rest of the crypto market. Well, now with this green, bull run that we're seeing, even Doge is up about 23.2% right now, trading at around 25 cents. So even that Dogecoin millionaire, he's back into the $1 million dollar value, I believe, right now. So congratulations to him if anybody watches him on YouTube as well. Dogecoin finally trading around the 25 cents area and hopefully going up higher. Still very, very far away from that $1 range. We would have to go up about 300% or so just to get back to those prices, but we're very, very far from those areas. So guys, let's get into this altcoin list. But before we get into the list, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for 38,000 subscribers. We just had 38,000 subscribers. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description. And leave a comment below letting me know what altcoins are you looking at right now. So the first altcoin is one that we actually talked about in the past couple of days, and we talked about when the bull market starts to run, we have a few coins that tend to run very, very quickly and hard, very hard. So Internet Computer ICP was one of the coins that we talked about during this video. And if you guys would have, done your research and looked into this one in the past week, look, it's up over 28% just in the past 24 hours on this one, just like we predicted that would happen. It was trading around, I believe it was under 50 actually at some point when we talked about it. It was trading down here at around $40 actually on August 5th when we talked about it. This coin was trading around $38 to $40. We talked about how this one likes to run very, very hard, and it could be a momentum play coming up. And look what happened. We went from $40 all the way to $63. So we're up about 50.9% just in the past 2 days, just like we predicted. So if you guys don't want to miss out on content like this, obviously stay tuned to the channel because we're talking about some bangers on this channel. So in the past month, this one is up about 37.7% from lows down here about $27 at one point. Now in the past 1 year, obviously up over 543%. And as you guys can see, this one is still looking very, very shallow. Now, obviously, we had a huge run here in May where the coin went up to over $750 per coin. Obviously, when the coin started to IPO and different things started to happen around with it, it started to explode and go up very, very quickly. And then obviously, just as quick as it went up, it came back down, falling harder and harder. And then obviously now we're just looking at these momentum plays that we're seeing, and we definitely think that this one is one of those. When the crypto market goes up, this one tends to go up very, very hard and fast. So that is why we talk about Internet Computer ICP on this channel. It's a momentum play, not a long-term play for now. Market cap 8.6 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.4 billion, and then obviously the circulating supply of coins 136.9 million. So ICP is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the internet computer blockchain network. Now, this network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly onto the public internet. Now, ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications. So obviously, if you guys are familiar with staking, that is a very popular thing in the crypto world. Basically, when you stake, your crypto, it's kind of like, the best way I can explain it is just like kind of getting interest on your coins, just like you would like in a bank CD. You would be locked in for a certain period of time. You can't touch your coins, and you get a return on it, like an extra return. So let's say 1 to 10% or something like that. and you would hold those coins for a year, 2 years, 3 years, etc., etc. So that is actually a very, very interesting thing for any long-term believers in the crypto space. If you're already holding your coins and you plan on holding for years and years, staking could definitely be something for you to look into. So definitely look into that, guys. So that is our first coin. Second coin is going to be Ripple, also known as XRP. So this one, very popular coin back in the day. Not as much popularity now, but this one right now is up about 8.25%, trading around 81 cents. In the past week, it's up about 7%, and then obviously on the 1 month chart, 21% from lows down here in July 20th. So about 3 weeks ago, we were trading around 52 cents. So we went up about 30 cents since then, over 60% or so profit in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks, and that is a pretty nice return in my opinion. On the one year chart right here, this coin is up over 133%. So trading from about 29 cents last August, hitting highs here of about almost $2 in April. Then we obviously pulled back down with the market, and now we're finally bouncing off and starting to trend on higher. And this one is just like ICP. So all three of these coins that we're going to be talking about on this channel today are coins that tend to go up very, very quickly. So they have a high momentum play right there. When the market goes up, they tend to go up very, very quickly and faster than some of these other altcoins, and that's why we're talking about it. So this one, 36.7 billion market cap, value in the past 24 hours at 3.8 billion. So XRP is the cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network. Now, built for enterprise use, XRP aims to be a fast, cost-effective, or a cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So, if you guys look at the all-time level that we hit here in 2017 at close to $4, we haven't even been close to that level. We actually got to about $2, so we were halfway there. But we're very far away from that all-time high level that we saw in 2017. So XRP is definitely another coin that is very interesting to watch because it tends to go up and down very quickly, and that's something that we want to follow, obviously, for a momentum play, just like ICP. And now the third one is going to be another one that has the same pattern and different reasons. So it's going to be Ethereum Classic, guys. So this one is another runner. This one, when the market goes up, this one likes to follow it and go up very quickly. And the reason Ethereum Classic is a popular one is obviously because of Ethereum, the regular Ethereum, which is this, Ethereum that we look at, because a lot of people that are getting into coins, into cryptocurrency, that are newer in the market, they believe that Ethereum Classic is Ethereum. So when they see that Ethereum Classic is trading around $59 and they hear all these stories about Ethereum, they're like, oh wow, this is a cheap coin. Let me get in on this one very cheaply here and hold on to it. Meanwhile, the real Ethereum is trading around $3,000, so it's not the same one, and it kind of gets a momentum play for that. Plus, obviously, some people are just buying Ethereum Classic because they like it, so ETC here, up about 11% in the past 24 hours, right under the $60 area right now. In the past week, this one is up about 16.8%, past month 9%, from lows down here of about $37 in July. So from $37, we're up about 80 or 90% already just in a few weeks. I'm not going to be surprised if this one is trading at over $70 in the next few days, which would be over 100% return already just in a couple of weeks. Now, obviously, in the 1 year chart, $59.60, 748% higher. Last year was around $7. Here we hit highs of about 180, actually, I believe, at one point. And actually, I traded Ethereum Classic at that point and made it over 100% profit, I believe, in about 2 days when it started to have this spike. I think I sold it around $160 or so here in May. So that was a very nice momentum play on Ethereum Classic. It ran up very quickly. Everything got sold off with the market and, obviously consolidated here. And now we're seeing this little breakthrough. So 7.8 billion market cap on Ethereum Classic. Volume past 24 hours at 3.9 billion. Ethereum Classic is a cryptocurrency with a special focus on immutability. Popularity expressed as a code is law. So Ethereum Classic, definitely another one that is popular. And there's also a lot of great things behind Ethereum Classic in general. So if you guys can, if you're interested more into Ethereum Classic, obviously go ahead and do some more research into it. Now, guys, with these altcoins, I'm not a financial advisor. Like I say, this is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, because there's a high risk, high reward type situation in the crypto space. Coins can go up and down very, very quickly, and you have to, evaluate your risk on those, type of situations, because you could make a lot, but you could also lose a lot, especially with these fast runners. So those are the three altcoins. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how it's performing. So Ethereum, first of all, There's a lot of Ethereum burning going on that we've been looking into the past few weeks, and that is definitely great because the less, the more Ethereum we burn, the less supply there is, and that is a positive thing, obviously, for the coin, and it starts to trend on higher. So in the past 24 hours, this one is up over 6.7%, trading right around this 3100 area. The high here at one point was 3173 on Saturday morning, so very nice. In the past week, it's up over 25%. Past month, 33%. From lows of 1700 to highs of 3100. That is about a $1,400 gain. So about an 80% gain or so just in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks on Ethereum. So any Ethereum holders are doing very, very well in the past few weeks. Obviously on the 1 year chart, 716% from about $400 to highs of $4,400. Pulled back down. We traded around between the 1700 area and the 2100 area for about 2 months, and now finally we're seeing this breakthrough, breakout type situation. The next level we're going to be looking for is obviously that 3500 level to see how we're going to be performing around there. Market cap 359.3 billion, which is very nice. It's coming back up there. Volume in the past 24 hours at 31.4 billion, so it's performing very well. Now if we compare it to Bitcoin market cap 815 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 40.1 billion. Obviously Bitcoin has that high volume. Now in the past week for Bitcoin, it's up 2.7% in the past day, trading around this 44,000 area. At one point we hit highs of 44,600 actually. In the past week, 4%. Past month, 29%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 281%. So here the lows are about 29,000. So from 29,000 to 44,000 right now. In the past year, 281%. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin still. So those highs we hit, 66,000 at one point, pulled back down, trading around this 28 to 29,000 area. Finally broke through this resistance of 42,000 that we couldn't break for about 2 months. So now we're hoping for, higher highs now and come back into the, higher 40s and potentially even the low 50s at one point. So we're going to be watching the market very closely this week coming up. And then we have Doge. So Doge, 32 billion market cap, 5.1 billion volume, up about 23%, trading around this 25 cents area. It's starting to move finally, up about 20% in the past week, 7% in the past month, and then obviously on the 1 year chart over 7,000%. As you guys can see, compared to this, chart, I guess it's still looking flat. It's still not having a steep, upturn, as it was trading at around 77 cents or so in May. Pulled back down and continue to go lower and lower. Obviously now, as everything else is very green, Doge is going to be green as well. But in the long term, I don't believe that Doge is going to be a coin that is going to be, valued at a high price. If we weren't in a bull market, I think this one would have continued to crash under 15 cents and lower after that. So guys, those are the crypto coins we're looking at, and that is how the market is performing right now. If you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links in the description. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now, and what do you think is going to happen to the whole crypto world in the upcoming months? I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.